Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect PayPal to a bank. First, securely log into your PayPal account using your chosen device. Once logged in, locate and click on the Wallet section, usually accessible from the top navigation bar or main menu. This area is where all your financial instruments are managed, including linked banks and cards. Always double-check you are on the official PayPal website for security. Next, within your wallet, look for the option labeled Link a Bank Account and click it. You will then be prompted to specify whether you are adding a checking or savings account. Select the appropriate type. Carefully enter your bank's 9-digit routing number and your full account number into the designated fields. Double-check these numbers for accuracy to prevent any delays in the linking process. This information ensures PayPal connects to the correct financial institution and account. To verify ownership, PayPal will send 2 small, random deposits, each typically less than $1, to your linked bank account. These microdeposits usually appear on your bank statement within 2 to 3 business days. Once you see them, log back into your PayPal account and navigate to the Wallet section. There, you will find a prompt to enter the exact amounts of those 2 deposits to finalize your bank's verification. This crucial step confirms you own the account. Congratulations! Once you have successfully entered the deposit amounts, your bank account will be fully linked and verified with PayPal. You can now seamlessly manage your money, transferring funds between your bank and your PayPal balance with ease. This connection enables secure online payments, sending money to friends and family, and receiving payments directly into your bank. Enjoy the convenience of a fully connected PayPal account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.